VipasX redefines access control using advanced technologies such as multi-factor authentication, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based services. Access control systems ensure that only authorized persons can enter certain areas. VipasX integrates with specialized solutions such as doors, gates, turnstiles, barriers, and computers. In addition to methods such as NFC, Bluetooth, QR code, RFID, PIN, it also supports biometric technologies such as fingerprint, face, eye, and palm recognition. With its IoT and cloud-based structure, it works compatible with different devices and offers wide integration possibilities. You can centrally manage more than 1,000 doors in a single location or in different cities and countries through a single platform. It works with hardware such as readers, antennas, cards, applications, and gateways. GDPR-compliant data infrastructure protects personal data with special security passwords. Thanks to the MQTT protocol, it provides fast and reliable data transmission with low bandwidth. It can be integrated into different software and platforms with API support. All equipment can be monitored instantly from the instrument panel. Detailed door-based reports can be obtained. Objects and guest access can be easily managed. In case of emergency, all doors can be opened and closed with a single click. Thanks to the HR module, break tracking, overtime calculation, payroll, advances, working outside, and leave management can be done. Parking and inventory management can be integrated with the same infrastructure. VipasX offers secure and effective access control in many sectors, from workplaces to public institutions, from health to education. You can contact us for more information.